morning person, so he's not. Yeah, he's not. So this should be fun. I'm gonna be playing on my phone a lot. We fixed it. We think, right?
Hope so.
Anyway, we worked on it. We think we fixed it. We make a good team though.
Yeah.
But it's still rainy. Very, very rainy. That's beautiful wood. So, how do you do that? You just cut the log sideways?
Yeah, you got blank side of wood out of logs.
That's
For like
beautiful.
people making, siding and stuff like that.
Okay.
Evidently he cut them.
That is beautiful.
That's a big one right over your table.
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? That's beautiful. It's date night, but it's a rainy one. You can't see us. I'm sure you probably can't see me. Let's see. Can we see you? Nope, can't see you. Okay, so yeah. Here's the traffic, here's the rain. And I'll show you more when we get there.
Your destination is on the right.
There's Primo's. I don't know if we can park there. And then the place is right here with the blue light.
Okay.
But I wanted to park up here somewhere.
Oh, that's pretty cool looking.
I saw some Clayton Mart. Make sure.
We are
I
here.
don't know if we can stay here or not. I don't see a sign that says towing, do you?
Nope. Well, we made that mistake before.
Yeah.
We better make sure.
Alright. Here's where we're eating at.
Okay. We're eating here. Awesome.
So we gotta walk away. Outside of payphone.
Oh my gosh, we're coming back here. Better brownie batter? Really?
It's not much better. It used to be out of the past.
What about that parking space across? I didn't we pointed several places out of town and get towed. And so I didn't know right there beside the other building. Right where
They're limited to Prinos, but I don't know if they're busy or not. But I mean, I could say the safest one is across the street.
that parking place?
Yeah.
That's free?
Yeah.
Okay.
They have lemon ice cream.
Yeah, they got
Oh my gosh,
yeah,
yes.
banana bread.
Can we please come
Yeah,
back?
we'll come back and bring it.
So like how late are you open?
Till 9 p.m.
Rolling
No,
round cake.
that's not gonna work tonight.
Aww.
Oh my goodness.
So y'all don't serve dinner here. Y'all just serve lunch.
Sean, they have oatmeal cookie craving.
Oh my god.
You would like that. Remember that's kind of like that one that we used to
Yeah,
eat.
we ain't got much time, baby.
I know.
I appreciate it.
Oh my goodness, and fudge. Oh yeah, we're coming back. We are definitely coming back. Okay, so that's the hole in the wall of Primo's, but it smells amazing. We're having cheesesteaks. So, anyway, here we are. He's on the wall. And there's my hubby in his brand new shirt.
Keep the
He
bleach out of
looks
your back.
nice. And he's got another new shirt that Patrick just got him, so
King Arthur flour.
Yep.
Get smart about better flour.
he's just looking so nice. And yeah, we got a TV right there. There's my hubby. Yes, yes, twin beards. I love it. Oh no, now he's gonna go in the bathroom and fix it.
Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Oh no, you got one too, don't you?
Hold on. I got B-game stuff right here.
Oh my goodness, you got some good stuff.
Yeah, see?
Bring
Oh my gosh,
I think so.
that's crazy.
That's all he brought it to the monkey outside.
You guys are ready, huh? You're prepared.
There's my caller, like, all you do is call. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, get some of that. That smells really good. I like that. Yeah, you know.
No, don't move. You do it right there. I'll sit in daggers. Let me hack his lap.
Dagger's not great.
Yeah, you start doing that and we might have a problem.
There's beer.
Oh yeah, twin bears. Okay.